Hello, namaste, Jojolopa. Good morning from Portland, Oregon. I'm posting this clip to let the scholars around the world not to use the word Newari to our language, Nepalbhasa, and also as a adjective form of Newari related matters. So this is some kind of a request to all the scholars to replace the word Newari into either Newa language or Nepalbhasa or anything related to adjectives. It's like a Newa momo, Newa dress, Newa cuisine. Everything is Newa, but not Newari. So Newari is a very, very derogative term that it has been established in literature since 1937, when the Newari language grammar was published outside Nepal, and it was detoured by many, many scholars until now. So it has been already 8 months since I started to remove this word from literature around the world from December 2nd, 2024. So today, August 2nd, 2025, so we need to be, let the people know that Newari is not acceptable for native speakers. So that means I request humbly to all the scholars and academicians, social workers, researchers, everybody, please pay attention on not to use the word Newari in your writings, in your speech, in your delivery of presentation, in your delivery of research work, everything. That Newari must be removed from the literature so that the Newa people can have the connection with their own native land, that is Nepal Mandala. So this is my humble request. Thank you so much. Please share this video to all the people who might be using it, and I really appreciate for your support to this campaign. Thank you so much.